In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your TikTok account. So if this video does help you out, please remember to leave a like and let's get right into it. So first of all, we need to head over to our TikTok. And then once we head over to TikTok, we can then head over now to our profile. And then once we head over to our profile, we need to select the three lines in the top right hand corner, which will then show you this menu right here. And from here, we need to click on settings and privacy. Once we select settings and privacy, we will need to select the account option right there at the top of this page. And from here, you can now click on deactivate or delete account. So you have two options here. You have deactivate, which will be temporary, or you have delete account permanently. So what you can do is click on this. It will then ask you why you are leaving TikTok. So just click on any of these reasons right here and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you if you want to download your TikTok data, and if not, you can go ahead, click on continue, and then what that will do is it will bring you to this page right here. If you want to delete your account, all you simply need to do to confirm this is click on the continue button, and then that will mean that you have permanently deleted your TikTok account.